In this video, Dason AI Studio presents Queen Polka Dots Meditation Room, the art of Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama, this globally renowned Japanese artist, holds a pivotal position in the contemporary art world with her unique artistic style and design philosophy. Her works span various fields including painting, sculpture, and installation art. Characterized by their striking visual impact and profound psychological depth, they have captured the attention of audiences worldwide. This article will delve into Kusama's design concepts and style, revealing the thoughts and emotions behind her artistic creations. Kusama's artistic journey began in the 1950s, with her early works influenced by surrealism and abstract expressionism. Over time, however, she developed her own distinctive style. Her art is marked by dense polka dot patterns, infinitely extending lines, and strong color contrasts. These elements form her visual language, conveying her unique perception of the world and inner emotions. Kusama's design philosophy is deeply influenced by her personal experiences. Suffering from a visual disorder since childhood, known as trypophobia, she perceives the world as filled with dense dots. Kusama transformed this visual experience into artistic creation, expressing her perception of the world through repeated polka dot patterns. These dots are not only a signature element in her art but also a bridge for her communication with the world. In Kusama's works, dots are not just visual elements but also a form of philosophical contemplation. She believes that these dots represent the infinity and eternity of the universe, serving as a link between the individual and the cosmos. Through dots, Kusama explores the relationship between the individual and the universe, as well as humanity's place in the cosmos. Her art often gives people a feeling of transcending reality and time, guiding viewers into an imaginative world full of infinite possibilities. Kusama's design style is also highly distinctive. Her works often feature bright colors and bold compositions that provide a strong visual impact. Kusama is adept at using vibrant colors such as red, yellow, and blue, which not only enhance the visual impact of her works but also convey her love for life and pursuit of beauty. At the same time, her works often include bold lines and shapes, which, combined with polka dot patterns, create a unique visual rhythm and sense of movement. Kusama's artistic creations also reflect her profound understanding of nature and life. Many of her works take nature as their theme, such as her Pumpkin series, which, through exaggerated and deformed techniques, showcase the vitality and beauty of nature. Kusama believes that nature is the destination of the human soul, and she expresses her reverence for nature and respect for life through her art. In addition to painting and sculpture, Kusama has ventured into installation and performance art. Her installation artworks often feature immersive experiences, such as her infinity mirrored rooms, which use mirrors and lighting to create an infinitely extending space, allowing viewers to experience the infinity of time and space. Kusama's performance art emphasizes audience participation and interaction, encouraging viewers to become part of the artistic creation and explore the possibilities of art together. Kusama's artistic creation is also influenced by her profound experience with mental illness. Suffering from schizophrenia, she often suffers from hallucinations and delusions. However, Kusama was not defeated by the disease but turned these experiences into inspiration for artistic creation. Many of her works have a strong surrealistic color, showing her exploration of dreams and reality. Through art, Kusama has found a way to express herself and heal her soul. Kusama's artistic career is full of legendary colors. Her works have not only attracted widespread attention in the art world but also had a profound impact on popular culture. Many fashion brands, movies, and music works have been inspired by her. Kusama's artistic achievements have been recognized by the international community. Her works are collected by art museums around the world and have held solo exhibitions in multiple countries and regions. In summary, Kusama's design concepts and style are diverse and profound. Her works, characterized by polka dot patterns, bright colors, and bold compositions, convey her unique perception of the world and inner emotions. At the same time, her artistic creation also reflects her profound understanding of nature, life, and mental illness. Kusama's art is not only a feast for the eyes but also a touch for the soul, guiding us to explore the relationship between the individual and the universe, reality and dreams. Through her works, we can glimpse the inner world of this great artist, feeling her love for life and pursuit of beauty. Incorporating Yayoi Kusama's design style into interior design signifies the beginning of a feast for the eyes and senses. a philosophical exploration of the infinite and the existence. Known as the Queen of Polka Dots, this Japanese artist transforms polka dots, mirror reflections, and surreal interpretations of nature into a spiritual resonance that transcends time and space. When these elements are skillfully integrated into interior design, they become more than mere decorative symbols. They become the soul of the living space, inviting every occupant and visitor to engage in a dialogue about the individual and the universe, reality and dreams. Kusama's polka dots are one of the most eye-catching symbols in her art. They are not just visual embellishments but appear as independent and mysterious mini-universes interconnected, weaving an unbounded network. In interior design, the application of polka dots goes far beyond traditional wallpaper or fabric decorations. They can be lively embellishments on custom furniture, such as polka dot patterned sofas or chairs that add vivacity and fun to the living room. They can be a rhythmic play on the carpet, guiding people's gaze and steps, or even in lighting design. Hidden polka dot elements can reveal unexpected surprises in the interplay of light and shadow. These polka dots not only inject infinite vitality into the space but, more importantly, they lead people to explore the relationship between the individual and the whole, contemplating their positioning in the universe. Mirror reflections are another signature feature of Kusama's works. Through meticulously designed mirror installations, she creates infinitely extending visual illusions, making viewers feel as if they have stepped into a boundless universe. In interior design, the use of mirrors can create a similar effect. Whether it is an entire wall of mirrors or the clever arrangement of reflective materials, it can make the space appear more spacious and profound. This design not only expands the boundaries of physical space but, more importantly, provides a stage for self-reflection. Here, everyone is both the observer and the observed, encouraged to explore the relationship between the self and the outside world, experiencing a deep sense of existence that transcends the material world. Surrealistic nature is an indispensable element in Kusama's art. By exaggerating and deforming natural forms, she constructs a world that is both familiar and strange. In interior design, this concept can be reflected in various ways. Choosing furniture with natural forms, such as seats shaped like flowers or tree roots, or using biomimetic designs, such as leaf-like lampshades, can fill the space with a natural aura. In addition, introducing real plants, such as green walls or indoor gardens, not only purifies the air but also brings joy to the occupants. In terms of color, Kusama prefers to use bright contrasting colors, such as combinations of red and green, yellow and purple. These bold and intense color combinations not only attract visual focus but also stimulate emotional fluctuations, filling the space with vitality and energy. Through such design techniques, occupants can experience close contact with nature in their daily lives while being inspired to consider the harmonious coexistence of humans and nature, reality and dreams. Kusama's art is always imbued with profound emotions and philosophical thoughts. They are not just visual pleasures but also soul-stirring experiences. Therefore, integrating Kusama's design style into interior design means infusing this deep experience into every detail. The placement of artworks should not be limited to wall decorations. Each piece should carry specific meaning, telling the occupant's story and reflecting their personality and emotions. Spatial layout should also go beyond functional considerations, guiding occupants and visitors on an inner journey through carefully designed pathways and movements. From the entrance, every corner, every pause, should be a new discovery, a profound realization, allowing occupants to experience the integration of art and life in their daily movements. To more vividly understand this design concept, imagine such a scene. As you step into the room, the first thing you see is a wall covered with polka dots, arranged in varying sizes and densities, like the stars in the night sky. As you move forward, a huge mirror suddenly appears, reflecting the infinitely extending polka dots, making you feel as if you are walking in a dreamlike universe. Looking around, you will find that furniture and decorations all adopt natural forms, with bright and bold colors that contrast sharply with the background polka dots, as if telling vivid stories. And in a corner, a real green plant is quietly growing, its existence reminding us that even in the most abstract artistic expressions, the vitality of nature always runs through, infusing the space with a fresh soul. Incorporating Kusama's design style into interior design is essentially a deep dialogue about art, nature, and human emotions. It not only changes the appearance of the space but, more importantly, changes the meaning of the space, filling every inch with stories and emotions. Living in such an environment, people are not only enjoying visual aesthetics but also experiencing a unique lifestyle, a way of life that establishes deep connections with oneself, others, and all things in the universe. This is the true charm of Kusama's art, transcending the limitations of form and touching the depths of the human heart, integrating art and life to build a living space full of infinite possibilities and profound meaning. In such a space, occupants can freely express themselves, explore the unknown, and establish more real and profound connections with the world. This is not only an improvement of the living environment but also a pursuit of life quality, a yearning for and practice of a good life. Kusama's design style, integrated into interior design, changes not only the space we inhabit but also our views and experiences of life, leading us towards a richer, more colorful, and meaningful world. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.